Hi there. Okay, so after going through the rest of the running record, I totaled up all of the errors and self-corrections. So I have a total of 31 errors, 4 self-corrections. 7 of the errors are meaning errors, 5 of the errors are structure errors, 17 of the errors are visual, and then the same thing with the self-correction errors. So I counted all of the errors up, I got 31, so that means I go to this chart and I see, okay, there are below 18 or more errors, so that means that he's reading at below 90%. So below 90% means that this is too hard of a text. So I make note down here that he read below 90%, which is too hard of a text. So then I go to my self-correction ratio. So don't just ignore that. I have a lot easier of one to do. So you take the self-corrections divided by the errors plus the self-correction. So it's self-correction divided by the errors plus the self-correction. So 4 self-corrections divided by 31 errors plus 4 self-corrections. So 44 divided by 35 equals 0.1. So then that means that he is reading 1 to 1. So pretty much for every word he says correct, he gets 1 error. Okay, then I just wrote some notes for myself. So he did a really good job using all 3 of the cueing systems. He used visual clues to help figure out words, to give him that help in knowing what the page is talking about. He used the structure of the word. He'll guess if the word is unknown, but he takes the part of the word to help him find out the unknown word, and then uses meaning of the sentence to give the clues to the unknown. Uses the visuals, uses the rest of the text to help. Okay, so then the last part is the comprehension. So these are my notes over here. These are my notes of his comprehension. So I gave him a 3 and a 3, which means he got a total score of 6 out of 6. So I said that he had proficient comprehension. So overall, I'll go to the front. I'll write that this is too hard of a text. I'll fill in that part. And then I know that level F is too hard. So when I'm reading with him instructionally, I'll probably do an E, and then I might have him do D or E books on his own independently so that he can feel more confident and be more successful with his reading. So I hope the notes that I gave you and the notes that I have on this running record help you, but it gets easier with practice, and you'll figure out what each student needs to work on and what they're really good at. So good luck.